Ready to unleash the power of server administration without wrecking your machine. First, download and install VirtualBox, then click New to begin creating a new virtual machine. Give it a descriptive name like Ubuntu Server, select Linux as the type, and Ubuntu 64-bit as the version. Allocate at least 2048 megabytes of RAM, but feel free to allocate more if you have it. Create a virtual hard disk, choose VDI VirtualBox disk image and dynamically allocated storage for efficiency. Allocate at least 20 gigabytes of space. Now, select your newly created virtual machine and click Settings. Go to the Storage tab. Click on the empty disk icon and select your downloaded Ubuntu Server ISO file using the disk icon on the right. Head to the Network tab, set the adapter to bridge adapter to give your server a direct connection to your network. Start the virtual machine and follow the on-screen prompts to install Ubuntu Server. Select your language, keyboard layout, and network settings. Choose the option to erase disk and install Ubuntu. Create a user account and set a strong password. Remember these. When prompted, choose to install the OpenSSH Server for easy remote access and allow automatic security updates. Once the installation is complete, reboot the virtual machine and log in with the username and password. Congratulations! You now have a functioning Ubuntu Server virtual machine inside VirtualBox. Go build some servers, everyone!